Today we're going on our first squirrel hunt. We're here at Pascagoula Wildlife Management Area, and I'm taking the boys out on a Saturday, and we're gonna go have what I call a picnic hunt. Now they're 2 years old and 4 years old. I'm gonna leave my gun unloaded and I'll let y'all know safety is always first. And we're just gonna walk in the woods a little ways and have a picnic.
And if I see a squirrel, I shoot it.
Yeah, keep your gun pointed down.
Okay.
Low expectations on actually getting a squirrel or anything else, but high expectations on introducing the boys to the outdoors and having a good day. Alright guys, we've been squirrel hunting for less than 5 minutes and come up on this creek, and the kids wanted to stop squirrel hunting, and now they're just wanting to throw rocks in the creek. So hey, that's introducing them to the, oh, you got your hand muddy? Wipe it on your pants. That's introducing them to the great outdoors.
No.
Tell them what's going on, Si.
Dad, I'm gonna do this.
You're gonna be my cameraman?
Yeah.
Well, you gotta get my face in it. Yep. You're gonna starve to death as a cameraman, Si.
What?
You're gonna starve to death as a squirrel hunter too, because we ain't seen nothing. What you got, Amos?
I love this day.
You love this day? Is that what you said? Silas is over here shaking vines. Shake them out of there, Si. Go help him, Amos. Y'all get that squirrel to move. Silas, what happened?
There's a squirrel.
There's a squirrel?
Where is it, Daddy?
It was up there in that oak tree.
Which one is the oak tree?
Huh?
What one's
It's the one behind the pine tree. And on our way here, Silas said he wanted to have a competition. Whoever killed the most squirrels wins.
And if Daddy loses, he gets to eat a worm.
And if you lose, what do you do?
Try a dove.
A dove?
I mean squirrel.
I'm gonna try my best to get a squirrel in. He's up in there somewhere. Alright, we're gonna sit right here and eat our lunch. We saw a squirrel up in one of these trees. Maybe he'll make a second appearance and Silas will have to eat squirrel tonight.
Yeah.
Should be a good place for squirrels. There's a lot of acorn trees right here in this one little spot. But it's really windy today, so they're not going to be moving a whole lot anyways. I was hoping to see one jump across the road or something like that, jump out in the woods. But all I seen was that one running down the limb. It looked like he was hugging the limb as he was going. Yeah, was that funny? You think it's funny?
Everything is funny.
Everything is funny?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, you're just hysterical, huh?
That might be Papa.
You think that's Pawpaw?
That sounds like Papa.
I don't think Pawpaw would have driven all the way down here to go squirrel hunting.
Does that sound like Papa?
That sounds exactly like Pawpaw's gun.
Okay.
I don't think it's Pawpaw though.
Whoa. Which is Uncle Mitchell's?
Yeah, Uncle Mitchell might be shooting that many times at one squirrel.
It's my mother Mitchell.
Silas, I sure wish that squirrel would come out on that limb
Yeah.
so I could shoot him. Then you could eat him.
Well, it will be. Well, then it will be China. Well, now it's China time.
Yeah, we're tied up right now. But if I kill a squirrel and you don't, you have to try to eat it. You have to at least take a bite. It's going to be a miracle if I see a squirrel.
Yeah.
If any of you know of a good squirrel call, let me know. Honey, filming and taking two little kids hunting is as easy as it seems.
I do be pets.
You shot the leaf. Good job, Amy.
Okay.
Alright, look through the sights. Look through this sight and look through and put this sight in that little hole. And whatever you see, that's what you're going to shoot. Right. Cheese. Alright, we just made it back out of the woods on our picnic hunt. We had a great picnic. Very little hunting going on, but we had an awesome time. And hey boys, did y'all enjoy it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, good. That's all that matters. Daddy and the boys had a great time. We just got to enjoy the outdoors. Put the love of the outdoors in their hearts. And now I'm going to stand here and let them throw rocks in the Lost Lake here at Pascagoula Wildlife Management Area. Thanks for watching Mason Boys Outdoors. God bless.